Have you ever heard people say, that person made me angry, they made me sad, they made me frustrated? Maybe you've even said it yourself. So my question to you is, did they really? Last year, I found myself traveling in my friend's car several times, and they would go into a lot of road rage. Someone would pull out in front of them unexpectedly and they'd shout and they'd scream at that person and they'd say sort of really horrible things, or somebody would brake a bit unexpectedly and off they went. And every time they did that and they shouted and said horrible things, I have to say my spirit went, ooh, ow, ooh. So one day I thought I'd share with them a little story. And the story is this. Rat and Badger were travelling in the car. And they're driving along, Rat's very happy, la 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 la. Suddenly, Mole pulls out in front of them, oblivious in his own little world, dancing to his music. Now, Rat had to brake a little bit sharply. And he starts honking his horn, shouting, swearing, Mole, don't you see what you're doing, you idiot? And Mole's oblivious. And then Rat starts chasing Mole down the road, really screaming and really upset. And Mole's like, la, 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 la. Eventually he drives off. For the next half an hour, Rat is really upset and he's ranting about it. He's sharing with Badger how disgusting Mole's driving skills are and how dare he. Badger's just sitting there very quietly, listening. Eventually, Rat looks at him and he says, did you not just see what Mole did? And Badger said, yes, I saw what he did. He said, well, why aren't you upset? And he said, maybe I see it in a different way. See, the way I see it is what Mole did is just information about him. How you respond is information about you. Now, when I told that story to my friend, they didn't like it. They went very quiet and bit their bottom lip and didn't say very much. But see, the thing is, many times people will say that other people have the power over them and that's why they react how they react. Well, I'm going to say, actually, no, people don't have that power over you. They haven't got a button they can press that has you respond and react in a certain way. It is actually always a choice. You choose how you're going to respond to any situation or circumstance. So what I'd like you to think about is when something happens, yes, sometimes it can be a reflective, just instinct to take a few seconds and ask yourself, how do I choose to respond to this? Because if you choose to respond with anger, be aware that you're very possibly going to get anger back. If you choose to respond with frustration, you're creating frustration in your life. Why not choose to respond in a way that keeps you powerful, that keeps you aligned to what's possible, that keeps you centered? Choice is always powerful. And I always say, choose wisely how you're going to be. You know, I love the be, do, have. Choose wisely how you're going to be, because your being creates your actions, creates your results. So take time out, take a deep breath. Know that nobody has that power over you. They really don't. They do what they do. They do these actions, they say these things, and you have a choice of how you respond 100% of the time. So choose wisely. Choose to stand in who you truly are, a powerful, magnificent human being. So I hope you like that story. I love stories. I would say like the video, share a comment, tell me what you heard, because everyone hears different things. What are you taking away from this video? And hey, you might as well subscribe so you can hear more of these lovely stories as they come up. You can choose to subscribe. But until the next time, stay safe, stay healthy, and stay blessed. Take care.